Hello, busy professionals out there. Are you constantly feeling like there aren't enough hours in the day? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm diving into some top-notch time management strategies that can turn your hectic schedule into a well-oiled productivity machine. So, buckle up and let's get started. First off, let's talk prioritization. It's all about the art of knowing what needs your attention first and what can wait. Start your day by identifying your top 3 tasks. These are the biggies, the ones that will really move the needle. Everything else is secondary. Now you might be wondering, how do I decide what's most important? Great question. One method I find super helpful is the Eisenhower box. It splits your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Aim to spend most of your time on tasks that are important but not urgent for long-term success. Next up, let's talk about minimizing distractions. In our hyper-connected world, notifications are the enemy of focus. Try this. Set specific times to check emails and messages instead of responding to every ping. Trust me, it's a game changer. Another golden tip is to use the Pomodoro technique. Work intensely for 25 minutes, then give yourself a 5-minute break. This method not only keeps your mind fresh, but also helps maintain a high level of productivity throughout the day. And here's something for those unavoidable multitasking moments: batching. Group similar tasks together. Do all your phone calls at once, block time for emailing, and so on. This reduces the start-stop-start pattern that can be so draining. Lastly, don't forget to look after yourself. High performance is not about squeezing every second out of your day. It's about making sure you're sharp, energized, and well-rested to tackle those big tasks effectively. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's just a click for you, but it means a lot to us. Plus, you won't miss out on any of our upcoming tips and tricks. Remember, managing your time effectively isn't about doing more, it's about doing more of what matters. Reclaim your time, boost your productivity, and let's make every hour count. Stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video.